Gavana wa Meru Mutuma Ntwithinkia ni akinyite mbere ya kamiti yotumiri na wonjorithia bwa mbeca cha mwingi aria oritwe gucokia biuria uria thirikari yawe igategera thina ya bamwe ba ariti ngugi bare banenkerwe mbeca cia nyomba rungu rwa Meru County Staff Housing Fund kuoneka bati gucokia mbeca iji ontu butigirite athara kiri county agicokia Mutuma ugite bakambiria kuandikira ntu baruga kubakanya kuri marandu jao na batiria bagatawa. Anthony Kathenya gatumenyithie nkuruki.
I, Reverend Isaac Mutuma Ntwithinkia, Governor of Meru.
Governor wa kaunti ya Meru Mutuma Ntwithinkia akielele mbele ya kamiti ya usonkono tumiri bwa kigina kilitengo nkurani cha thirikari ya kaunti ta OCPEC ni agile na kagita kwelithia matagele mara thirikari ya jukitie gutigira mbesiri ja kobilwe kili mubango wa kigina kia nyomba kia rutingu giba thirikari ya kaunti ni gusokwa kigina kia milioni 53 ngili 47 na magana mathandatu ma 29 kigina kile kia jukiliuta mukobo kwa milika gita ka gavana wa Meru wa kaunti ya Meru Peter Munya mpaka kagita ka gavana wa Ebiro Bisini Kawira Mwangaza na baraba jukilie batethiri to bakilia.
Review of the records maintained by the fund indicated that some borrowers with outstanding loan balances of Kenya shillings 58,042,629 have not been repaying the loans.
We agree with your audit findings, Chair, that there were some outstanding loans of Kenya shillings 58,042,629 whose beneficiaries were not honoring their monthly payments.
Aidha kile governor kaunti ya Meru Mutuma Ntwithinkia ni augite thirikari ene kirite mibango kathomba gutigira mbesa ino ni gusokwa. Mutuma kiuga mpaka thaino thirikari ene sogotiki gina kia milioni 16 ngiri 545 na magana 748.
The fund management has since instituted collection measures including issuance of demand notices and initiating auction process of their securities to realize the defaulted loans. Through this effort, the fund to date has been able to collect Kenya shillings 16,585,748 of the Kenya shillings 58,042,629.
Kile ripoti ile kijitumbela kamituni thirikari ni kaunti ya Meru kuma kagita ka Munya mpaka gita ka gavana Mwangaza kaunti ya Meru nenkanite mukobo wa mortgage wa milioni 533 na ngiri 600 kulingana na ripoti ino. Magavana Baba Bobe ne kile miuki yao bajokiti mikobo taino. Gavana wa mbele Peter Munya ajokile mukobo wa milioni 25 Kiraito Murongi akijuka milioni 40 nawe Kawira Mwangaza akijuka mukobo wa milioni 13 mikobele ambele kulewa kuma kagita kalaba ali obisini ne kathina ambele kulewa kwa maka 20 kuma kagita kaka onto bobo ithini buletetoro ali katika masineta balabedhiri tobakiolia gitomi magavana na utingo gibathiri kadija kaunti batithiri tobakilenkelo mikobo kwa miaka 5 ile babatele kwithiro bali obisini.
The former governor, my neighbor, Kiraito, took 40 million. And the repayment period was 20 years. Even if he had served for 2 terms, it was going to be 10 years. So, you know, this is something that you need to look at your law, the period of the loan. Same to Peter Munya, 20 years. Okay, the balance is very low, and these are people who are capable, you know, to pay off. So this is something that you need to look at.
Kuma mji muneno Nairobi, Mbita Anthony, Rangi wa Kathenya.